Friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus Nord versus OnePlus 7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, I have selected the mobile phones from the different price range segments. The mid-range segment mobile phone is a Poco X3 device, so which is very affordable price, and next range is a OnePlus Nord, so which is close to our 25k mark, and next is the OnePlus 7 Pro device, which is close to 40k range. So let's see, friends, by comparing all these three different smartphones together. So let's see which phone will be having the better display, and each phone has their own advantage and disadvantage as well. So try to watch till end of the video to get to know more advantages and disadvantages of individual smartphones. So first, let me start with introducing the what is the different screen options they are having. So first, let me try to open the screen properties of each and every smartphone, so to get to know which phone has how much screen size and what are the resolution and what is the pixel density as well. So first, let me start with the Poco X3's display, which has a 6.67 inches IPS LCD panel display. And one thing is that OnePlus Nord and the OnePlus 7 Pro, they both have the Fluid AMOLED panels. So only the Poco X3 has the IPS LCD panel display when you compare side by side with these two smartphones. And next, the screen size 6.67 inches and 1080 resolution, HDR10 certified and 120Hz 450 nits brightness. So this is a quick display properties of the Poco X3 device. So let me keep it side the display properties. And next is a OnePlus Nord device, so which is a Fluid AMOLED panel and 6.4 inches and very compact size 6.4 inches, and both phones they are having the 6.67 inches and 6.4 inches is very compact and good looking phone, so because of its small form factor. And next is a 1080 resolution, Gorilla Glass 5, 90Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus certified. So this is a quick review on the OnePlus Nord device. And OnePlus 7 Pro as the Fluid AMOLED 6.67 inches, but it has got a little bit kind of a 2K resolution, not the 1080 resolution. It has got higher resolution when you compare with other smartphones. So definitely the quality will be very good in the OnePlus 7 Pro device when you're watching the movies. And best thing about this phone is that it does have the dual curved edges on both sides, as you can see, curved edges, so which looks fantastic while watching the movies and while watching videos. Definitely the phone is very good, the OnePlus 7 Pro, in terms of the media consumption. So now let me try to open the video and try to play the same video in all the three smartphones at same time. And I forgot to show you, let me try to open the settings quickly, and let me show you what are the exact resolutions and settings I am using right now in this video. So Poco X3 I selected to the saturated mode in this phone, and next is a OnePlus Nord. I selected the vivid mode, so vivid and 90Hz refresh rate I selected here. And next is a OnePlus 7 Pro. It's kind of a little bit kind of confusing because I did select the vivid mode, and resolution I need to decrease to the 1080 resolution because all these test we are doing in the 1080 resolution, so that's why I did decrease to the 1080. So I'll try to again to increase the resolution later on as well. So first beginning, let me try to keep the 1080 resolution first, so 90Hz refresh rate. So let me try to play the same video in all the three smartphones. You can see, friends, right now I'm playing the same video in all the three smartphones with the full brightness mode enabled. So now let me try to arrange all the three smartphones together. So as you can see, so it is the Poco X3 and the OnePlus Nord device side by side, and it is a OnePlus 7 Pro device as well. As you can see, the viewing angles and everything. So if you're wondering why the Poco X3 display looks kind of sharp, because I did enable that some kind of option which is a visual enhancement mode, so which is available in the Poco X3. So this is without using any kind of option. So right now, try to observe the difference. So you can see the OnePlus Nord has a slightly brighter screen. So if I look personally, I can definitely see the difference. So right now you can see the difference as well in this kind of viewing angles, the OnePlus Nord display. So try to observe the OnePlus Nord display only. So now let me try to move the studio lighting effects little bit. So you might be able to observe the difference. So when the low light effects as well. As I said, the OnePlus 7 Pro has very good curved display, so which looks very good watching the videos and playing games in the OnePlus 7 Pro device. So it is a quick side by side all together comparison. As you can see, friends, So one thing is that I did like the Poco X3's options of enabling the extreme and everything. So there's the option of enabling the visual enhancement mode, so where you can increase the colors, so which will increase significantly, as you can see right now, which became very brighter. So right now, as soon as you enable this option, so which far away the best display I can say, definitely in terms of the software optimization in the Poco X3 device. So this is so far the best software optimization I found in the Poco X3 mobile phone, which is very good. So if you don't use those kind of options, so which will be going back to the normal display only. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 50% exactly. So 50%, 50%, 50%. So all the brightness set to the 50% in all the three smartphones, as you can see, friends. And now let me try to decrease the brightness to 0. And overall this is a 0 brightness level in all the three smartphones. So all the three smartphones are doing pretty good job in terms of the 0 brightness levels. So alright friends, this is a quick comparison between all the three smartphones in terms of the display quality and everything. The OnePlus Nord and the OnePlus 7 Pro looks kind of same to each other, but the Poco X3 has the advantage of having software optimization where you can increase the colors a lot, and OnePlus 7 Pro has the advantage of having dual curved edges, so which looks fantastic while watching the videos. And OnePlus Nord has another advantage of having the compact size, so for long time media consumption, if you are trying to watch the movies for long time holding the phone, so you won't feel much heavy as well. It's very good and very light mobile phone. That's a fantastic with the OnePlus Nord device. And thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.